Well, I got this fidget spinner for Christmas. It's in my stocking. I don't know, I guess Santa didn't think that I was busy enough and had plenty of time on my hand. So I could be doing this, but instead had this fender off about 3 or 4 times already this morning, and what I discovered was I needed to put a much larger washer here. Unfortunately, when I took this thing apart, I threw everything in a bag, and I wasn't really sure where the washers went, so I had to start from scratch. So I got it fitting really nice. And what I'm doing now is I made a cardboard template for the end of that rocker, and I just started forming it. So that's what's going on right now. Okay, been working on this little hunk of metal here that goes in the front of the rocker panel, and it's actually fitting pretty well here. I'm getting pretty close. Doesn't look too bad. Got a little bit more to go, but it's getting real close. Pretty soon it's time to get the welder out. And basically what I accomplished today was I fixed the end of that rocker. Got that piece welded in. And my gaps look pretty decent. Not perfect, and it's not going to be perfect, but way better than it was. The hood gap's not too bad, but that's movable. I can move that around a little bit. So, pretty happy with all that. I need to work on that quarter and the rocker next.